Hey everyone! So I'm going to start out this video showing you how I prepare my canvas. I do use painter's tape on the back, and I try to get not too far from the edge. I do leave a little bit of overhang there. But it keeps the back of your canvas nice and clean, and I do use the push pins. It keeps it up above the plastic. So after you're done cleaning and varnishing and you remove the tape, the back of your paintings are nice and clean, and you can sign them. I always wire mine, but yeah, keeps them nice and clean. So I'm going to do a dirty pour. I have a bunch of bright colors. You know I like my bright paintings, and I'm kind of getting tired of phthalo green and you know, the turquoises and the purples. So I was going to do one with that Tuscany green again with the black, but since this is a smaller canvas, this is a 11 by 14, I decided to do a dirty pour. So we're going to use some bright colors. Are you ready for that? 2 cups and a small one for a spare. And I'll spray them first with the WD-40. This stuff stinks. That's why I don't stand over my paintings when I'm running the torch, because you get fumes. That's why you're better off using treadmill silicone or dimethicone. You won't have the fumes as bad. And I forgot to put gloves on, so I'm ready now. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub that in so I can get all that paint out of there. But I have some very bright colors I want to use. If you watch the ice cube tray painting, they're kind of left over from that. And of course I have about 25 here, so I want to use some of them up. Plus my squirt bottles are still have paint in them. So let's start with white. Save that little bit, we might need it. And we're gonna go right ahead in with these colors. And what color did I pick up first? Phthalo green. My mother-in-law came over yesterday, and I had some paintings drying in the house, and she says, "Don't you have any green ones?" I'm like, "Really? Don't you think I have enough green ones?" Ugh. So I did not make one for her for Christmas. I'm kind of waiting to see. She just moved into a retirement community, and she's got tons of the home interior pictures, and I don't know where she's going to hang all that stuff. So she's got this one wall that comes out like this, and then there's a wall here, so you could actually put 3 paintings there. But I haven't decided what I want to do for her yet. Okay. This is actually brand new. Let me skip that one. It's the same one, I think, that I just did. So let's use up this teal. Actually, this is phthalo turquoise. The other one was phthalo green. And we have light blue. This will be our sore thumb of the painting, because the last time I used it, it showed up. It's very opaque. I love using them up. Okay, we'll hit it with that. That's enough green. Okay. So now I'm going to use some Prussian blue. This reminds me of another painting that we did. The one that I said we could paint a fish on it. I think it was video 32. Don't want to put any reds in there, but we have some lighter colors here. So this is a pearl. Now it's gone. And this is probably another light blue. Actually, this is a turquoise. I feel like Rio putting all these colors in. Do you guys watch Rio Saris and Sace? Hilarious. Whenever I need a good laugh, I go watch their videos. My son Jacob acts pretty much like Sace when we're doing stuff together. Okay. I need one more. Trying to see what the lowest I have here. I always tell everybody they can fast forward through this if they don't want to watch. Okay, I think I got all the blues out of there that were getting low. Don't want yellow. Don't want the blackberry. That'll be purple. Okay. That should be plenty anyway. Okay, let me get these out of the way. Let's hit that top of that with white. Just a quick stir. Since we're not doing a flip cup. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. Seems to have a little more white. I'm just going to go a little crazy with the paint, so enjoy watching. This helps because it shows me where my cells are at and where they're not, so I know what to get rid of and what to keep. Okay. Alright. That corner is so pretty. My goodness, it does look like the other one. Goodbye, pretty corner. See what the white's doing? It's caterpillaring. I'm going to leave it right there. I like that. This will be a lot darker when it's dry. If you remember the last pour I did that was similar to this, I just want to show you how dark it dries. Isn't that beautiful? So the metallic even showed up in there. So that's, I didn't put black in this one. I think this one did have black and Prussian blue, but it'll be pretty close to this. So let's torch it again. Everything's sinking. That one cell, it's like, hello, I'm a baby in the middle. Okay, give you a close-up. It's cool. Lots of cool stuff going on. All to change overnight. Ooh, even the runoff is pretty right here. We have to save the skin. Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe below and click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share, and please leave a comment. I like to have comments. And join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye now.